Welcome to this journey through one of the most vital systems in your body, the respiratory system. In this video, we'll uncover how your body breathes, explore the intricate structures that make up the respiratory system, and explain how oxygen fuels every cell in your body. Stick around to the end for some fascinating facts about breathing you might not know. The respiratory system is responsible for bringing oxygen into your body and removing carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism. It's a finely tuned system that works around the clock to ensure your cells get the oxygen they need to function. Air enters your body through the nose or mouth. The nose filters, warms, and moistens the air before it travels further into the respiratory system. Tiny hair-like structures called cilia trap dust, pollen, and other particles to protect your lungs. After passing through the nose or mouth, air moves down the pharynx and larynx into the trachea or windpipe. The trachea then divides into two bronchi, one leading to each lung. Inside the lungs, the bronchi branch into smaller and smaller tubes called bronchioles, ending in tiny air sacs known as alveoli. Alveoli are where the magic happens. These tiny, balloon-like structures are surrounded by capillaries, thin blood vessels that allow for the exchange of gases. Oxygen from the air passes through the walls of the alveoli into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide from the blood is released into the alveoli to be exhaled. Breathing is powered by a dome-shaped muscle at the base of your lungs called the diaphragm. When you inhale, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, creating more space in your chest cavity. This reduces pressure and allows air to flow into your lungs. When you exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and moves upward, reducing the space in your chest cavity and forcing air out of your lungs. This process happens so smoothly that most of the time, you don't even notice it. Oxygen is essential for life because it fuels a process called cellular respiration. This process occurs in your cells, where oxygen is used to produce energy from the food you eat. Without oxygen, your cells couldn't generate the energy needed to keep your body functioning. Carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration, is carried back to the lungs through the blood and expelled when you exhale. This continuous exchange of gases ensures your body stays balanced and energized. The respiratory system isn't just about breathing, it's also your body's first line of defense against harmful particles and microorganisms. Inside your airways, tiny hair-like structures called cilia work together with mucus to trap and expel dust, bacteria, and other pollutants before they can reach your lungs. Now that we've explored the respiratory system, let's end with some fun facts about breathing. Did you know that the average person takes about 20,000 breaths a day? That's over 7 million breaths a year. Your lungs aren't symmetrical. The right lung is slightly larger than the left to make room for your heart. Ever wondered why we yawn? Scientists believe yawning helps cool down the brain and increase oxygen intake when we're tired or bored. In summary, the respiratory system is a remarkable network of organs and structures that work together to deliver oxygen, remove carbon dioxide, and protect your body. It's a system you rely on every second of every day, often without even realizing it. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the respiratory system. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more fascinating insights into the human body. Remember, every breath you take is a step towards sustaining life.